Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Facebook video frame or thumbnail in Meta Business Suite. If you want your Facebook video or reel to look more polished before it goes live, changing the frame or thumbnail is a simple but important step. The thumbnail is often the first thing people notice, so choosing the right visual can help make your content look more professional and more clickable. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process inside Meta Business Suite so you can quickly update the preview image for your video. To begin, go to Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're already signed into the correct account and that you're viewing the Facebook page or business asset where you want to publish the video. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to confirm you're in the right workspace, since the available publishing tools depend on the page you have selected. From there, click on Create Reel. This opens the Reel Composer, which is where you can upload your video and adjust how it will appear before publishing. Even if your main goal is just to change the thumbnail, this is the area where Meta gives you the thumbnail and frame options during the upload process. Next, click on Add Video. This is where you'll upload the video file you want to use. After selecting your video, give it a moment to load completely. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. It's a good idea to wait until the preview appears properly before moving on, so all editing options become available. Once the video is loaded, click on Choose Frame. This option lets you select a frame directly from the video itself to use as the thumbnail. If there's a specific moment in the video that looks clear, visually appealing, and relevant to the content, this can be a quick and effective choice. Try to pick a frame that is sharp and easy to understand, even at a small size. If you'd rather use a custom image instead of a frame from the video, click on Upload Image. This gives you the option to add a separate thumbnail image from your device. A custom thumbnail can be especially useful if you want more control over branding, text placement, or the overall look of the preview image. Just make sure the image is clean, high quality, and closely matches the topic of the video. And that's how to change your Facebook video frame or thumbnail in Meta Business Suite. Once your thumbnail looks right, you can continue with the rest of your reel setup and move forward with publishing.